Hello, baby girl. You look so wow. I'm Savannah by name. What is your name?
My name is Esther.
Esther.
Yeah.
What's up, Esther?
Fine.
See, I'm Savannah by name.
Okay.
Small thing they do me, oh. I park my car for down there. I don't know. Now, Konji, they owe me. I don't know if I can nap you inside my car. I'll give you $100.
You know, say normal. Now my work why they do this. So if you can't give that $100, you don't reach anything. Make her $500.
$500.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, turn 360. Let me see. Wow.
So just
$500.
Just give me 500.
No worry, you worth more than $500. I'll give you $700.
Wow.
Yeah, let's go inside my car.
Jesus. You just stop prank.
It's a prank.
Just a match. Prank.
Yeah, it's a prank.
It's a match. See, this one what they do now. My work what they do with this so. So no even tell me that kind of nonsense. Before you see me I come outside because I need money. You hear me so?
Oh, now your work.
Now.
Now prank. That is my cameraman.
Bro, that's why they turn your own.
No face.
Not even tell me, man, not change that for you.
That is my cameraman.
Not try me, not tell me that one. Because I don't have people say I go get money today. I will open.
But it's a prank.
I don't like that way they talk. You can't play.
I just prank you.
You tell me that kind of play. They bring money from Jare. You know, listen, my work they do this. Eh? Listen, my work they do this. Eh? You can't play with that one. Are you mad?
No face. No face. Calm down, face. See, it's a prank.
Spend me money, Jare. Bring money, Jare. I know they for play. Now my work they do this.
See my card. You're not prank.
See, not the prime that can prank. Bring my money, come here. Play with that one now.
Calm down, face. Calm down.
Calm down, bed. Bring my money, come. Bring my money.
Calm down.
This is my work. What they do with this? Now they work.
Now prank.
Even if you belong to a secret court, are you stupid? To your workplace, are you people mad?
This man there says something. This man is smoking. What you got on here?
You see? Wow. You see? Wow. Hello. Hey, so now my car you dey on like this. Wait. Una dey whine me. Una dey use my car they do fake life, abi. So wait. You dey package this girl for my car. Use my car they package am, abi. You dey whine yourself. Come up for my car, Jare. Wait. In dey use my car they do all this. Now your boyfriend be this. So now come they play love for my own car, be una they use my car, they package am for my own car.
Okay, because it's your car, that's why you're
see, guy, I no one get issue with you. Don't stay in my car already. I no one get issue with you. Fine girl, see, forget about this guy. Now broke guy. This guy is my babe. Now your baby, this guy. See, fine girl, see. Wait, calm down. Let me talk to you. Forget about this guy. This guy is a very broke guy. You don't get anything. Now my car be this. Let's go inside. I won't knock you. I'll give you $500 right now.
Yeah?
$500 right now. I'll give you $500. Come up for here, Jare. You mad? You get money?
Are you serious?
Yes. I'll give you $500. Yeah, turn 360. Let me see. Wow. Oh yeah. Let's go inside. Turn like this. Let's open the car.
You use your generation to play. You use your next generation to play.
Are you wicked? Are you mad?
Papa open now. Why?
Did they place a curse on your family lineage? Are you mad? I will use your to remove that.
It's a prank.
What be this?
It's a prank. Hello, baby girl. You look so wow. I'm Savannah by name. What is your name? Honeybee. See, this small thing really disturb me. This is my car. Now my car be this. Now Konji they owe me. I don't know if I can nap you inside my car. I'll give you $500.
I don't understand. Do I look like a toxic?
It's not like that. But now Konji they owe me. I'll give you $500.
So what's not my business? Konji they owe you. Find one who you chukan now.
I understand. I'm sorry.
I don't go. Just walk up.
Oh yeah, turn 360. Let me see. If you want $1,000, I'll give you.
So you're going to pay me $1,000?
Yes, you can
Are you for
me
real?
very serious.
Wow.
Jesus Christ, no worry, you want it. Just turn like this. Let's go inside the car and knock very fast. I'll give you $1,000.
Don't worry, we'll
Open. Open the car. Front. Open.
Instead of you to pray against evil,
You know open.
manipulate.
It's supposed to open now. It's a prank. Oh. That is my camera over there.